Shweta and welcome back to my channel Glossary of English. So today we're gonna discuss about when you in the beginning when you speak in English start you have faced fear. Okay. So today the topic is, do you feel fear while speaking English? Yes. So I gonna give to you tips. Okay. Till then end the video because it's really important with you. And do you like? Please like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so when you started English, you have to many face this problem. You have to fear it, and this fear is out of control, and this is a natural process in everyone, because everyone you have to start speaking English, they all face it, and these are the common problems of many learners. Even when I started, I lot of fears in my inside, and it is a very uncomfortable feeling when I make video and see my face on camera. I just feel shy, but I have many videos and I lot of learn in many times, so these problems are calm down. So let's into the topic. Are you feeling fear? When you started, you have to started English speaking practicing, so you have to fear about that so many, and this is a very common problem. When you but it not the impossible, you have make it possible. When you started speaking English practicing at home, when you are alone it, and when you are given to your times, it 5 minutes, it 10 minutes, and this problem will be solved it by the overtime. Okay. And the second one is, you have to do not word to pop out your mind. Okay, I repeat it. Do not get word to speak in English, and do not get word you pop in your mind. Because you have to start and words not come, then you have to stop that what I speak. There are no words in your head, and it will get the words become you have to speak in English is practicing that you are so much main problem for you. Okay. And the third one is, do not have environment. Yes, this is I previous video I make this particular video that do not get environment and how to get environment to speak in English. I make this video on YouTube. You go and check out, and you have to solve this problem. Okay. Because many learners says that no environment, how to make it. Yes, this is you have to make it. Okay, whenever language around you, but it will you have to, when you think about that I have to do it in English, you have to go out through, because you have to say it unconsciously to your mind that I have worked out of your English language. So this is possible. Do not get environment to speak English. Okay, this is a excuse. Do not make it environment. You have make it environment. When you trying to speak English as alone, as every time you have to go through is, you have to feel that when you speak up, when you listen it, when you reading it, you are in English around and surrounded to you. You have to get my point. And when you have to do it daily, you feel you enjoy it, that environment is like a excuse. Environment is like an excuse, because everyone has not environment to you, and not he is creating an environment. You and do not search it environment to speak in get I get I environment to English that I have to speak up and practicing it. No, you have to create an environment. So that is the point is. Okay, so and the fourth point is you have to do, people laughed at you. Yes, people laughed at you when you trying, and when your friend also, your relative also listened. Are you trying to speak in English? Isn't it? You have don't try to this. You don't even speak in English. Just leave it, because people do not want to. You have to start speaking English, and they discourage to you. So do not attach those people of who is this the encourages of you. Seek about those person who are motivated to you also in your career at yours. But who motivates you? I tell you, your parents and your friends trust on you that you have to make it do well. Yes, it is you in the beginning. You have to very face it. It's so difficult, so difficult. But when you started, and day by you have to take it a 30 days challenge and make it. And I trust on you. Okay, so this is the people have laughed at you. Just leave it, because they are laugh at you on this time, but you have to later on, you have to ignore those laughed it. Okay, you have to, when you are trying when you meet in 1 year after, you can see the changes of you and those person who had laughed at you, and he can also see you, and he can come to you and say how to speak in English. You getting my point? So this is the way of my, you have to fear it's decrease it also. Okay, this is my point to you. And okay, so thank you so much. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to notification on the bell. Okay, you have to press on the bell, and when I uploaded any video to English learning, you have to notification, and you have to see it and watch it, and your problems always solved. So thank you so much. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you, take care, bye bye.